In this video, I'm going to show you how to work through the course material. So I'm back here at the start of my terminal, or if you're on a Windows machine, in Anaconda Prompt. So as always, start your notebook with the Jupyter Space Notebook. This will open up your home directory. Let's go to Dunder Data Courses, then Master Data Analysis with Python, and then Intro to Pandas. And over here in Jupyter Notebooks. So let's just click on, say, number 4, setting a meaningful index. So the way we're going to work, the way I want you to work through this is by, you can think of this is just like a textbook. So what you're going to do is you're going to, read the text, obviously. You're going to run the code. And then what I want you to do, as you're running more code, is to experiment with the code. The way you do this is by, you can add a cell over here. So there's a cell menu, you could say, or insert, you can insert a cell below like that. That'll add a new cell into your notebook. And then you can, run this command maybe with something else. So you experiment with it. We'll set the index as color or something. So that's the idea. You go through, read this, execute the code, but I want you to experiment with the code as well. So take time when you're watching the videos to pause the video, add new cells. So use this insert menu to add new cells. There's actually, your notebooks will have this. You can add, use this plus sign. This will add cells as well. And then so experiment, and then run some more video, watch some more video, and then run some more code, and then insert new cells and experiment again and again. At the bottom, there are some exercises. So once you get to the bottom, there will be exercises at the end of each chapter. So answer these first before looking at the solutions. So there is a solutions notebook. If you go back to the file system view, you'll see the solutions notebook right here. Click on it, and then you can look at the solutions. Even if you think you have the right answer, I'd like for you to go ahead and look at the solutions just to see how my solution works. All right, so that's how you can go through the material in a Jupyter notebook.